Hi, my name is Keith Fountain, UE Sales Manager at Digital Wave Corporation out of Denver, Colorado. Today we're going to take an overview of the UE29, our smallest footprint machine, really tailored towards those mom and pop operations that are ready to test their own cylinders and even go out into the market and obtain more business. So at the time we were designing the UE29, the biggest thing was we had small customers coming to us saying that, hey, those larger machines are great, but we can't currently fit them in or we can't afford them. So at this point here, we went into the engineering lab and we said, let's make that small machine that still has a very high throughput and maintains a high level of quality. The UE29 has all the capabilities of our larger machines. It's just more focused towards your mom and pop shops. We want to make sure that we had a cost-efficient option for you to test your own cylinders, keep them in-house, and get them back out into the field as quick as possible. I get nothing but great feedback on the UE29 machine. At this time, our longest UE29 has been out in the field over 3.5 years, and we have not had to do one maintenance visit on it. Small shops love this because it keeps your operating costs down, but also keeps your individual cylinder retest costs at an absolute minimum. The UE29 is one of my favorite machines. Has our smallest footprint along with a very high throughput. At this time we can test up to 80 M6 per hour, up to 60 Med-E's per hour, and 13 plus large steel per hour, thus creating a very dynamic machine for small to large companies. Our UE29 can test the same full range of cylinders our other machines can do. Currently running from a 10 inches in height all the way up to 66 inches in height with an outside diameter of 3.2 inches all the way up to 10.6 inches. On our UE29, along with our UE17, we have a redesigned tailstock. This allows our individual rollers to be more flush with the cylinder, thus allowing cleaner scans, and the bigger part allowing less wear and tear on those individual rollers, thus creating more longevity with each individual part. Just like all of our other machines, there's no valve removal, and there's no reason to remove the product from the inside of your cylinder, thus allowing the quickest test times and the easiest way to get your cylinder back out into the field. We currently handle all of our own machine shop in-house, welding shop, production, assembly, customer support. We incorporated our 5-head technology. We've redesigned the tailstock to allow for little to zero maintenance, and a big thing about this is updated our software. We want to make sure that the techs had the biggest ease of use, and at the same time they were spending less time worrying about what's going on and more time testing cylinders. Although the UE29 really requires the least maintenance on any of our machines, we also want to make sure that we have the full support staff there for you and your team. My customer service team runs from 8 in the morning till 5 in the evening Mountain Standard Time, and they're there to help with any type of calibration issues, small mechanical issues, or really anything your tech needs to make sure they're running all the cylinders they possibly can. One of the biggest focuses of Digital Wave is innovation. We want to listen to our customers and our industry. The UE29 has allowed us to do that. We're excited to be growing as a business into multiple facets, and we continue this growth year to year.